Let's get started. First step, take your hands up and around, twist 4 times, and then hit and step up. One more time, round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times twist, and then hit and step. Round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hit, step. So there we go. Next step. Tap your right foot twice. The first time you're going to take your left elbow pocket. Next time you're going to raise your right arm. Elbow and up. There you go. From here, you're going to swivel around, squatting, pointing the finger in the air. Your right leg is free to go up to 3 now. Left, up to 3. The same hand goes up in the air. Note that. Next step, you're going to jump back with a kick on the right, and your hands are going to go up in the air, and then your palms are going to place to the small of your back, and then you're going to look twice with your left hand up. Good? From here, you're going to take your right leg out and in. Now, left leg out and in. The right arm is going to make a circle. Right leg, now left leg. Let's do the arms. Opposite point, middle circle, opposite point, middle circle. Good job. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 3 and up to 3. Jump, poof, place, look, right leg out, in, left out, in. Good job. Let's do the next step, which will involve jumping up 4 times. Easy version, jump with both your feet, gentle jumps 4 times up. Hard version, 1 leg hop, drag, jump. If you want to challenge yourself, pick the second version. You pop your hands, throw it up in the air, make a bangle sign, and make a earring sign. Good job. Bangle, earring. Excellent. Now let's take that right arm, make a circle twice to the right side, and repeat it on the left. Good job. You want to pretend you're jumping, so jump, 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 jump. And now you're going to pop your hands on the side, jump, jump, sit, jump, jump, sit, rotating your body. One more time, let's do it. Hands up in the air, bangle, earring, right arm circles, left arm circles, jump, jump, sit to the right, now to the left. Good job. From the left sit, you're going to loop your right hand twice and throw that earring on the ground. Use your hips to sit, head circle right, head circle left, up, down, and one big shake to the side. Good job. Next step, you're going to use your bouncing feet. You're going to slowly touch the right ear, throw, left ear, and throw, and then take your hands up, down, point both sides and pull that thread in the center. Now throw the earring, beat your hips and kick, come up, hands go flip-flop. One more time. Gently touch the right and throw. Gently touch the left ear and throw. Up, down, point, pull the thread in the center. Throw to the right, hit the hip, sit on the hip, to the left, and kick the right leg back. Bring your arms forward and flip-flop, focusing on your core. Take the right hand back and forth. Point, and sit, and a freestyle kick. You're ready. Pretty lady, can't take my eyes off you. Pretty lady.
राई बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी. राई बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी. अरे बहन के इतना जेवर गहना, तेज हवा से बच के रहना, गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा रे. हाय झुमका, ओए झुमका, हाय झुमका झुमका.
What झुमका? What झुमका? What झुमका?